Hey everybody, Lois with Ellie Grace's Attic, and I'd like to take just a few minutes to talk with you about our Craft and Chow box. Craft and Chow was just born out of an idea. First of all, I love crafting with friends. Who doesn't? It just makes it so much more fun. And I love having a snack, right? Who doesn't like to snack? Um, when you are crafting those snacks, whether it be sweet or savory, they just help get that creativity going, right? And so that's kind of where it was born from. Originally, it was me going to a friend's house or having friends over. One of us would make a snack. I would come up with we'd craft together and I would show you the video, right? Craft and Chow. It's almost like a little mini talk show. I usually featured a friend that was a creator as well. And it was a lot of fun. And then when 2020 rolled around and everyone was stuck at home, a lot of my friends were like, we need a craft. We need to do a Zoom craft together. And then from there, it was like, hey, let's do a subscription box. And so that was our monthly Craft and Chow box originally. We would come up with a different craft every month. You would get in a box at your doorstep all of the basic supplies to do that craft, along with written instructions, as well as a yummy, family tested and proven recipe for some chow to go along with your snack time. And then we would do a Zoom together where I would help you answer any questions and show you how to do the craft. But back in 2023, we kind of took a little hiatus, but now our Craft and Chow box is back for a limited time only. It's not going to be a monthly subscription. It's going to be probably a quarterly just box that you can order. We're doing a fall box now, and it is so cute. We're going to be doing these mini pumpkins. These are available in your fall Craft and Chow box from Ellie Grace's Attic. And I just want to kind of show you what's in the box, what you're getting. The box is $30 total. Shipping is free, okay? So it'll come in a box similar to this, okay? You'll have a Craft and Chow sticker on there. So you'll know it right away. When I used to get subscription boxes back in the day, I always love looking for that specific box. Yes, it's in. It's like Christmas. So here is the box. You're going to open it up. It's going to look similar to this. And inside your box for our fall mini pumpkins, you're going to get 32 mini blocks. That's enough to make 4 of these, okay? You're going to get 4 different colors of paint. You'll get white, yellow, orange, and a green. And then you're going to get some moss, okay? Some floral moss to top off your pumpkins. You're going to get a paintbrush, number 8 round. And then you're going to get some instructions. You'll get written instructions. It comes with pictures to help you out. I'm a visual learner, so I always want to put pictures in there. You'll see what mine looks like, but you'll have all the written instructions. You can make it exactly like mine, or you can get creative and make your own. That's the whole point, is I want to inspire you guys to get creative. There's enough material in here. You can definitely invite a friend over. Y'all can each do 2 or invite 3 friends, each do 1, or you can get your kids involved. That's always fun. Such a fun way to do it. And then, of course, each box, we got to have the chow, right? And we're going to do not 1, but 2 recipes in every box. So you'll get, and now it may or may not be these recipes, but you're going to get a savory recipe and you're going to get a sweet recipe. So you can choose which one you want to make. Now, let me just tell you, these aren't just random recipes. These are family tested and approved recipes. I am not going to send you a recipe unless I have tried it myself. Thank you very much. So I promise there's going to be something for everybody in here. And I love surprises. So more than likely, each box is going to contain something a little extra to surprise you from me, something that I love. I'm going to put in there extra for you as a surprise. So get on board, get your fall craft and chow box, and start crafting today with friends and with some good chow. I love you guys. God bless.